Hi guys, as many of you have noticed, I love working out, and with working out comes proper nutrition. One of the things that I do to keep myself in the best shape is I usually have a smoothie every single time after I stop working out. So I'm going to show you guys how I make my favorite type of smoothie. First is blueberries. They don't have to be organic. These are just the kind that I found the last time I was able to go to the supermarket. 1 banana, low-fat yogurt. You don't have to use low-fat yogurt. I'm just trying to be a little bit more on the cautious side lately because I usually don't pay attention to dairy. I love dairy, but I think I should at least try to use low-fat. And my favorite of all, oat milk, strawberries, and my secret ingredient, cacao powder. Now, one of the reasons that I like to use this is because one day I was at this smoothie place, and it was, I'm telling you, the best smoothie I've ever had in my life. It was like a chocolatey taste, and I kept wondering, why is it so good? And I spoke to the girl that made it, and she said this is what made it so good. Cacao powder. You can get it at any grocery store, any kind that you can find, but it's worth it. It tastes so good, and you only need to put a little bit. So let's get started. I'm going to be using this juicer, which I got as one of my Christmas gifts from my boyfriend's mom last year. It's very easy to use. First, let's cut the strawberries. Cut them in long slices, yet thin. I love strawberries. One of my favorite fruits. I'm gonna put them in here. Yes, strawberries is ready. Already. Now we're gonna do the banana. Oh, looks so good. Time for a banana. Banana. Same thing, we're gonna cut it in thin slices. Uh-oh. That just fell on the sink. I don't know if you guys saw that. Okay, and same thing. Put it in here. Next, we're gonna add the yogurt. I'm gonna be using a big spoon, so these are gonna be large tablespoons. 1, 2. That should be enough. The oat milk. Now you can use almond milk, soy milk, or whole milk if you like. I just prefer to use oat milk because I think it tastes the better. And I also don't drink regular milk anymore. That should be enough. Oh my god, I just noticed I forgot the blueberries. We can still put them in. Okay, don't need that many. Here we have the strawberries. Next, we're gonna use my secret and favorite ingredient, cacao powder. So I'm going to be using only 1 tablespoon because I didn't really fill it up to the top, so I don't think I need more than 1 tablespoon. Perfect. And now let's blend it all in. yummy, yummy smoothie. Let's try it. I can't open this. There it goes. The main reason I got really into smoothies lately is because I feel like it saves so much time from cooking like a full meal. All I have to do is put in some fruit, some milk, some yogurt. You can add protein to it if you want, and you're done, you know? You don't have to waste so much time. I'm loving this. I might not even have to have dinner tonight. Tastes really good. Well, I think that sums it all up for today, guys. Bye, guys.